Of course, there is a mosque in Limassol, so we'll just go and discover this mosque quick before we head back to Paphos. Most coffees here are empty because people are probably chilling on the sea.
Yeah, that's the time, but in the evening it's full, I believe.
Yeah. كبير جامع ليما الله الكبير. جامع ليما for Limassol الله الكبير. It seems to be abandoned, so I think no prayers are taking place here. See inside. جامع ليما. This is like an old town.
It looks Italian.
Yeah. Da Vinci bar.
Italian style.
Actually, I would say more Arabic.
Yeah?
Because the doors and the locks of the doors are more like Arabic style. Yeah.
Hey! You love you. I said to my friend. Okay. Ja idę do tyłu.
Barracuda. So this is the church. Okay, now let's go back to our car. Let's go. Yalla. Oh, we really need to go back.
So we had only 5 minutes.
This way? This is the castle? No, I don't think so. Maybe. During the course of works of the castle square, the remain of this medieval monument building, which is dated to 13, is excavated at the spot, part of its north and its west. What is this? It is good to chill out here. Carob Museum. This is the old way how we are waiting and still waiting. Also some like in my country we're still waiting like this. This too. How to measure. No idea what this is machine for. Robe. So this is Carob Museum. Carob Museum.
It's derived from the Arabic Carob.
Carob.
Huh?
Aha.
The spreading of the tree to the western Mediterranean lands of the Arabs during the Middle Ages explained the adoption of this name in most European languages.
So the bread made of carob?
Yes, in French it's carobia.
Carobia.
In Italian it's caroba.
Caroba.
In German it's caruba, and in Spanish algoraba.
So this is the factory for it.
Johannesburg. See? Johannesburg. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we will. Our kharoub. Coming. And you know, I used to eat this kharoob in Tunisia.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, we still have it.
You see?
We still have kharoob.
So now you understand, huh?
Yeah.
What was this for?
Yeah, there is even photos of kharoob up. Sant Antonio's Church. Hoo. Yeah.
That was interesting. This is the flag of Cyprus, you know?
Yeah. That's the flag of Greece. This is the flag of Cyprus. I think that's another mosque too.